Yum, yum!
Greg here from Pixel Fondue, and MODO 14.2 gives us a new kind of vertex map called the particle item map. And you apply that to a set of vertices that you're going to be using as a point source for a replicator. And what the particle item map allows you to do is determine precisely which prototype goes to which replicator. So if you look at this little space station-y sort of platform scene here, I have a replicator in the scene, and it's these pillars right here. And there's 3 prototypes fed into the replicator, pillar A, B, and C. And right now, they're just distributed randomly on these points, these 10 points right here. And that's how replicators work. They just randomly distribute multiple prototypes onto the point source. Now that's nice sometimes if you're working with trees or rocks or some sort of nature-y scene, but in this case I want precise determination of where these prototypes go. So, for instance, I may want pillar C to be all on the outside, and maybe pillar A on the inside, and pillar B in the middle. So let's add a particle item map to these vertices. And over here in the Vertex map tab, you can see other maps and hit new map, and then pick particle item map from the drop-down, and we'll just keep initial value 0 and hit OK. And you'll see that changed everything to pillar C, which is in the 0 position here. And so if I just select these outside guys here, these 4 on the outside, these vertices, let me just isolate so you can see that I have them selected. And I come up here to Vertex Map and say Set Value, and we want to pick the particle item map, and we want to give that a value of 1. What that'll do is it'll put particle A on the outside. Boom, there you go. And then in the middle here, I'll just grab these 2, and again, I'm going to press Control R just to bring up that Set Vertex Map again. And I'm going to give it a value of 0.5. Whoops, let me pick my particle item map and give it a value of 0.5. And there's pillar B. So as you can see, I've got precise control of where my prototypes show up on my point source. So that's a simple example of using the particle item map. But let's take a look at a more complex example in another video where we incorporate MODO's proceduralism and some new mesh operations in MODO 14.2 to give us a more advanced replicator system.
Yum, yum!